one of the ancient Indian tradition is Jainism. Really wonderful, strictly non-violent way of life. Wonderful. So now your organization, you see, really have great potential to promote in the society non-violent and also including vegetarianism. Wonderful, wonderful. So I have many friends, Jain practitioner, Jainism. So you can make really good example in the society how to carry peaceful and vegetarian way. So I hope, you see, your organization, you see, from time to time, you should carry this message in form of discussion and what value. And then I think now today's world, I think like beef farm and fish or chicken. Truly, when we see these things, sort of people's sort of life, they merciless, simply exploit these animals. And meantime, two big farm and a chicken farm, this for ecology, sort of, also the point also these are harmful. So we can promote vegetarian also their life in the name of also the non-violence. So now beef farm, when I listen to some of these big farm, beef farm, particularly in Europe, in America, ecologically also, you see, very harmful. So we should propagate vegetarianism. And in India, all our monastic institutions, their common kitchen now completely stop using meat. Individual, that's up to individual. But the common kitchen, always the vegetarian food, like that. So today, New Year, I want to express my greeting with deep respect your tradition. So, thank you.